Hello, friends. Welcome back to our channel. In promoting and advertising new products or services, nowadays we have different marketing tools. This includes directly sending SMS or email, and we can also make use of different social media platforms. So, any type or scale of business can rely on social media to reach the targeted audience quickly and effectively for marketing and campaigning. So a company can gain popularity among the audience with its product and services being active on such social networking platforms. So this can be done by using Odoo 15 social marketing module. So from Odoo App Store, we can directly install. So after installing social marketing module from Odoo App Store, you can find it in the Odoo dashboard and just open it. And when you enter into the module, you will land on the feed of your social marketing module. So if you have linked your social media accounts with this module, your feed will display all the new posts and notification from these medias. So in order to add a social media stream, you can click on this add a stream and you can link your account. So make sure that you have an active subscription. Otherwise, you can find an error. You don't have an active subscription. Please buy one. So now what we can do is that after activating the developer mode, just go to configuration settings. And here we can find a demo mode. So you can enable the demo mode and this will load demo data to test the social module. So if you want to check the working of this social marketing module, you can use this. So this is just used for testing purpose. Never try to use this for your production database. Then you can also add your own accounts. Like here we can add your own Facebook account, Instagram account, then LinkedIn account, Twitter, and YouTube account. So you can see in Odoo 15, we have two new streams, that is Instagram and YouTube. So if you have got app ID and app secret, you can provide it from here. So after enabling the demo mode, you can save the settings. Now here, when you come back to the social marketing dashboard, you can find there are a lot of posts for a company, my company. Here we can see that the active company is my company, San Francisco. And if you want to switch to another company, you can do that. But right now for our company, Chicago, we don't have any post. So let us come back to company San Francisco. So here you can see all of the posts created on different social media platforms. This includes Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter. Then here we can find a YouTube post. You can also find an overview of each of your social media account, the number of followers, audience. Like here for Facebook, you can see the total number of followers of your channel, and here we can see the number of times people have engaged with your post. Then here we can find the number of times people who have engaged with your channel have created stories on their friends or followers, like shares or retweets, and the number of likes, shares, and other engagement activities on each post separately on the feed. Like here we have a post that we are glad to announce a new product for this year, published on YouTube. And we can see the video link. So for this post, you can find the comments and the total shares and the total views. And you can find the date of this post also. So when you click on this, here we have the option to add comments. Then we can like a post. Then you also have a menu to view all the social media posts. So if you click on this post, you can find all your posts. So these posts are shown in Kanban view, and then we have a calendar view. So we can find our busy schedulings. Then you can find it in list view. Then we have a pivot table. So from there also we can find our social post. And if you want to only view posted once, you can click on this. So here you can see right now we have 7 social media posts that are already posted. And you can also filter these social posts by social media accounts. Like if you only want to view the post on Facebook, you can just use that. You can just click on this. So we have 4 posts. Then if you only want to view Twitter, you can view that. And if you also want to view the post on YouTube, so you can see that also added here. And you can create a new social post by clicking on this create button. Or we can also create a new post from our feed. So here we can provide the company. Then here we can select the account where you want to post this content. Here we can see we have 2 websites. So we can post on those websites, and we can post on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram. And here we can add the message like a post Christmas sale out. Then here we can attach images. So this will attract the viewers. So here I have added an image. Then you can also add a campaign. So here we have already created a campaign, Christmas promo. Then here we can set the time of posting. So you can send the post immediately after creating it, or we can schedule a time for posting it later. And you can choose a date from here. Then after adding those details, here we can add some options related to push notification. So we can see we have already said that notification will be sent to both of the website and will be posted on these accounts. So if you want to push notification, then you can add a notification title here, like Christmas sale. Then you can add a target URL, then icon image. Then here we can add local time. Then it's also possible to filter out the visitors. That is, we can add a domain to send push notification to visitors by adding some condition like visitors from a particular country. So according to that, you will be able to see the total records. And here we can find YouTube options. So as we are posting this on YouTube account, you have to provide video title, then video description. Then here we can add video description. So here on the right side, you can see how this will appear on the accounts. So you can see how it will appear on Facebook page, Twitter account, LinkedIn post, then on our website. So in this way, notification will be sent to the visitors. So you can find the push notification preview and on Instagram, then YouTube channel. So after creating the post, you can save it. Okay, make sure that you are attaching images in correct format. So here we have a JPG file. Now save the post. Here, if you want to remove an account, like if you don't want to post on YouTube, you can just disable this and click on post. So here you can see for feed post. So you can see this in our social marketing feed. Here we can see that is added. So we can add comments. So here we can find that. Then here we have a menu where we can manage all the campaigns. So we have already created 3 campaigns and you can see them in different stages. Like we have one newly created campaign, social campaign, and we have scheduled 2 campaigns, newsletter and Christmas promo. But we don't have any campaigns that are in staying stage. And you can also get an overview of the total leads generated, total revenue, then sales done, and reach regarding each campaign. Like here we can find there are 2 posts for this campaign, social campaign, and here for Christmas promo we have 1 post, and here we can find the total clicks. Then if you open one campaign, you can find things in detail. Like here we can find responsible person, and here we can, and as a part of the campaign you can send SMS, publish social post, then push notification to customers. So if you click on send an SMS, here we can add the title of SMS in recipients list. And if you want to select mailing list, like if you only want to send the SMS to follower of some mailing list, can add that. Then here we can add SMS content. After that, you can send the SMS or schedule it for a different date. And here we can send social post, then send push notification. So here we can see under SMS tab, we have already sent 2 SMS. And here we can see we have 1 posted social media content. Then we can find 2 push notification. So here we can find the post notification. Then statistics of clicks. Then here we have a menu, visitors. So we can track all the visitors of our accounts. So here we can see we have 2 visitors, Michelle Admin and Mark Demo, and we can find the last action, total visits done, then the last page visited, then the total visited pages, number of leads or opportunities generated out of the visit. Then we can directly send SMS or email to the visitor. So when you click on it, you can find the detail. So here you can see these other pages visited by this person, and you can find the first connection, last connection, then the website visited and the total registrations. And here we can find the page views history. And we can also find the active status of each visitor. So here we can see these 2 visitors are offline. So tracking your visitors is a necessary factor because this can be used later for generating leads or opportunities, and we can create new customers out of them. Then here we have some configurations related to this social marketing module. So here we can configure social media, then social accounts. Then social streams. So social marketing module is a great advantage to the marketing team because social media encompasses various types of audiences all around the world who could be the customer of the company in future. So that's all for this video. And if you have any doubt related to social marketing, you can add your comments below. And don't forget to watch our video, SMS marketing in Odoo 50. And if you require any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cyprocess.com.